In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Gmail as default mail handler. When you click an email link on a website, also called a mail to link, you probably want it to open a Gmail Compose window instead of another mail app. I'll walk you through how to set that up in Google Chrome, cover how to do it in Firefox, and finish with an optional system change so links from outside your browser also use Gmail. Start in Chrome by going to mail.google.com. If you're not signed in, sign in first so Gmail is active in the tab. Next, make sure Chrome allows websites to register as protocol handlers. In the address bar, type chrome//settings/handlers and press enter. Turn on the switch labeled Allow sites to ask to become default handlers for protocols. This setting lets Gmail claim mail to links. Return to your Gmail tab. If you see a small icon with two overlapping diamonds in the address bar, click it. Choose Allow to let Gmail open all email links, then click Done. From now on, whenever you click a Mail to link in Chrome, you should land directly in a new Gmail Compose window. If you don't see the icon, don't worry. First confirm the handler setting is on, then reload the Gmail tab. Gmail should prompt you to allow it as the handler. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, repeat these steps in the profile where you want Gmail to be the default. In Firefox, open the browser and go to the menu, then Settings. Scroll to the Applications section and search for Mail to. In the Action column next to Mail to, open the drop-down and select Use Gmail. That's it. Firefox will now send email links to Gmail automatically. Optionally, you can also set your operating system to route mail to links from outside a browser, like from a document or another app, to your chosen browser so Gmail can handle them. On Windows, open Settings, then Apps, and choose Default Apps. Under Email, select Google Chrome or your preferred browser. You may also need to pick Chrome for the Mail to protocol to make sure every mail to link goes to the browser. With these changes in place, clicking any Mail to link will open the familiar Gmail Compose window, saving you time and keeping everything in one place. If something doesn't work right away, refresh Gmail and double-check the handler setting, and you'll be good to go.